For coffee enthusiasts, nothing beats a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, even when you're on the go. Enter this AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit, portable and versatile coffee maker that offers 3 brewing methods in one compact, travel-friendly package. Whether you're on a camping trip, the office, or just need a quick coffee fix while traveling, this little device ensures you get a full-bodied, flavorful coffee without bitterness or grit. Why the AeroPress Go is a must-have for coffee lovers on the go. If you've ever struggled with making quality coffee while traveling, the AeroPress Go is the solution you've been searching for. Combining the best of French press, pour-over, and espresso brewing methods, this small but mighty coffee maker delivers a smooth, rich coffee experience no matter where you are. Let's explore why this travel-friendly coffee press stands out from the competition. 1. Compact and portable for on-the-go brewing. One of the most appealing features of the AeroPress Go is its portability. Slightly smaller than the original AeroPress, this travel version comes with a convenient mug and lid that double as a compact travel case. It's perfect for slipping into your backpack, luggage, or even your glove compartment. Whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling for work, AeroPress Go ensures you can make your favorite coffee quickly and easily. Imagine this. You're out camping in the wilderness, away from civilization, but still enjoying a rich, smooth cup of coffee. That's the magic of the AeroPress Go. Great coffee without the need for bulky machines or electrical outlets. 2. 3 brewing methods in one. The AeroPress Go is not your average coffee maker. It combines 3 brewing methods, French press, pour-over, and espresso into one device, giving you ultimate control over your coffee. Whether you want a full-bodied espresso-style shot, a lighter pour-over, or a traditional French press coffee, this device has you covered. With a brewing time of just 1 minute, the AeroPress Go ensures you can enjoy your coffee without long waits. Another fantastic feature is its ability to brew cold brew coffee in just 2 minutes. No more waiting overnight for your cold brew to steep. This coffee maker does it fast, while still maintaining that smooth, non-bitter taste. 3. Quick and easy brewing process. Simplicity is key with the AeroPress Go. Even if you're not a seasoned barista, you can brew the perfect cup of coffee in just a few easy steps. All you need to do is add your ground coffee. A medium fine grind works best. Pour in hot water or cold water for cold brew. Stir and press down the plunger. In just about a minute, you'll have a delicious cup of coffee ready to drink. The AeroPress Go can make up to 8 ounce, 237 milliliters of regular coffee or 1 to 3 espresso-style shots per pressing. It's perfect for those who need a quick coffee fix but don't want to compromise on quality. 4. Smooth coffee without grit or bitterness. One of the biggest complaints about other portable coffee makers, like the traditional French press, is that they often leave grit and bitterness in the coffee. The AeroPress Go eliminates these issues. Thanks to its unique design and rapid brewing process, it produces coffee that is smooth, flavorful, and free of any unpleasant bitterness or sediment. The microfilters used in the AeroPress ensure that you get the cleanest, clearest cup of coffee every time. 5. Durable and BPA-free. AeroPress Go is built to last. Made in the USA from high-quality BPA-free materials, this coffee maker is not only safe but also incredibly durable. Whether you're using it at home, on the road, or in the great outdoors, you can count on the AeroPress Go to withstand the rigors of daily use. And because it's so compact, it's easy to pack and carry without worrying about damage. The mug, plunger, and all other components are designed to be lightweight yet sturdy. AeroPress Go, perfect for travelers, campers, and coffee enthusiasts. The AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit is the ideal companion for anyone who loves coffee and wants to enjoy it on the go. Its ability to brew multiple styles of coffee, combined with its compact design and ease of use, makes it a must-have for travelers, campers, and coffee lovers alike. And let's not forget its versatility. You can brew espresso, French press, and cold brew all with one device, ensuring you always have the perfect cup of coffee to match your mood. The AeroPress Go is more than just a travel coffee press. It's your personal barista in a compact, travel-friendly form. Whether you're commuting to work, going on an outdoor adventure, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon at home, the AeroPress Go ensures you can make barista-quality coffee quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.